Today we're featuring a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze LT. It's got 38,000 miles on it. It's red hot in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side, make our way down. But everything here on the driver's side looks good. It's a small little nick in the paint right there. It's been painted over. It does come with the rear backup camera. Okay, and it does have a little nick right here in the paint as well, here on the trunk. We'll make our way down the passenger side. All right, it does have the side panel decal on there. $250 a month for $250 down. That's a great deal. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, nice cloth insert here, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, it does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in great shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat cloth looks good too. No problem there. All right, it is an automatic. That's your climate control area there. AM FM CD player with the backup camera display, and I'll show you that in just one second. All right, it does have the Bluetooth and steering wheel audio and your cruise control. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 38,029 miles on it. Now that we got it started up, we'll go ahead and show you your home page here. All right, it's got your apps there, and you can scroll through them with the push of this button here. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. AC's blowing cold, no issues at all there. And once again, you got your climate control area here and your AM FM CD player. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Unlock it here. There we go. All right, door panels look good. Back seat cloth is in great shape. All right, there's not a thing wrong with the interior of this Cruze. All right, got your cup holders that pull down there. You got your convenient power outlet down there. Let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look at your trunk space. All right, carpet back here looks good. Plenty of room. Let's check for the spare tire here. All right, got your spare tire there. Everything looks good back here in the trunk. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We have, let's see, 16-inch alloys. All right, brand new set of tires. Okay, you can see the writing still on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze LT, red hot in color. All right, 37,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.